building something grand and small. A little lamp, a wooden frame, whispering Catherine's quiet name. The joy of starting something new, in shades of sage and beige hue. Oh, the heart of a tiny room, where the plastic flowers bloom, creating peace with hands and glue, building a world that's bright and true. A safe retreat, a soft design, where every piece begins to align. In the stillness of my studio, I gather fragments of your dreams, shape them into living stories, more than what they seem. Sparks of imagination dancing in the quiet in-between. I catch each spark of silver light, a whisper in the air. I cradle it in quiet hands, with tender, patient care. I let it drift through heart and mind, where fragile visions trace, until it settles softly in its perfect waiting place. I see it forming in the air before it can be found, a world that doesn't yet exist, but longs to be unbound. It trembles on the edge of life between the then and now, a fragile dream awaiting hands to show it how. Dreams come true when you believe in what you see, painted in your colors, quietly shaped by me, built in tiny worlds of wonder. Every detail plays its part. I turn imagination into living, breathing art. I follow where the feeling leads, with steady, certain hands, turning drifting fragments into worlds that softly stand. I carve the quiet into shape with time and tender pace. Magic isn't loud or bright, it breathes in gentle space. Dreams come true when you believe in what you see.